Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. So children, today we are going to discuss working of an eye. The eye lens forms a real inverted image of the object on the retina. The light sensitive cells in the retina then produce electrical signals which are carried by optic nerve to the brain. The brain possesses the information and sends the message to the eye, and then we see the object. How do we see colors? The retina of our eyes consists of large number of light-sensitive cells, rod-shaped and cone-shaped. The rod-shaped cells of our retina respond to the intensity of the light. The cone-shaped cells of our retina respond to colors. Color blindness is that defect of the eye due to which a person is unable to distinguish between certain colors. Persistence of vision is the ability of an eye to continue to see the image of the object for a very short duration of time, even after the removal of the object. In human eye, the vision persists for 1/16th of a second after the removal of the object. Power of accommodation. The ability of an eye to focus both near and distant objects by changing the focal length of its lens is called power of accommodation. A normal eye has a power of which enables objects as far as infinity and as close as 25 cm to be focused on the retina. The ciliary muscles play an important role in accommodation. They are most relaxed while focusing the distant object and most contracted while focusing the object at near distance. The range of vision of normal human eye is from infinity to 25 centimeter. Functioning of pupil. We are not able to see the objects clearly for some time on entering from bright light to the room of dim light. After some time, however, we were able to see the things in dim light room. The pupil of the eye acts as variable aperture, whose size can be varied with the help of its iris. When the light is very bright, the iris contracts the pupil to allow less light to enter the eye. However, in dim light, the iris expands the pupil to allow more light to enter the eye. Thus, the pupil opens completely through the relaxation of the iris. Why do we have two eyes for vision and not just one? Very interesting question, isn't it, children? So let's find the answer. It gives a wider field of view. A human eye has an horizontal field of view of about 150 degree with one eye and about 180 with two eyes. The ability to detect faint objects is enhanced with two eyes instead of one. Because our eyes are separated by few centimeters, each eye sees a slightly different image. Our brain combines the two images into one and thus provides three-dimensional perception of the objects. Some animals also have two eyes positioned on opposite sides of their head to give the widest possible field of view.